Hello everyone, it's the Cuber, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So the first step to solve the 3x3 is to make a plus or a cross in any of the color. In this tutorial I'm choosing the white color as it's the most common color. So we need to bring all the edge pieces which consist of white and any other color in the around the white center. And also we need to place them in a way that they matches with the center of the other color. Like here it matches with white and this sticker matches with the red center. So we have to put all the four center to make a cross or a plus. So to insert the pieces in the top, you can use the R, L and F moves to insert them. Now in this case I can insert this blue one, but it is not matched to this color. So if I do U, it gets matched. So now to this one I'll insert it and then U, and it gets matched. But now this one is got unmatched. So what I can do is I can bring it to the down layer and then do the D moves to align it like to its center. Now if it's aligned, I can just bring it up by F2. Now it's up. Now this one, if you will do it like this, the blue one gets unattached. So now I can bring it down and can match it like this and can bring it to the top. Now I also need to put the back blue the up, and now the same way the green one. But if you get a case like this when the piece is flipped and you can't match it, then you need to do this algorithm. D, move it here, R and then R and then move it up and then do a R prime to fix this cross. This way you can solve the whole cross. Now to the first layer. Before we start the first layer, I need you to learn these two sequence. These are both 4 move sequence. The one is R, U, R prime, U prime. Practice this. This is a really important sequence for your whole solve. And now we need to do the same with the left side. So the sequence will become L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. So now we have to make the first layer. So to make the first layer, first we need to bring the corner piece in the slot where it's need to go by matching the colors like white, blue and red. White, blue and red. Now we bring it in the top of the slot and we do we do it the sequence. If we are holding it from the left side, then we can do the sequence from the left, and if we are holding it from the right side, we can do the sequence from the right. So in this case I am holding it from the right side, so I'll do the sequence from the right. R, U, R prime, U prime. In this case it got solved. So now let's solve another corner, this one. So I bring it in the top of the slots and then I'll do the sequence. So you need to do the sequence until the corner gets solved. Another one, and now I am holding it from the left side, so I'll do it from the left side. Solved. Now from the right side. This way you can solve the whole first layer. Now you have to solve the second layer, these 4 pieces. So while solving the second layer, you can face 2 cases, in which for the first, in which the piece needs to go to the left side. As you can see that this piece needs to go here, so it's the left side. The second case in which the piece needs to go to the right side. This you can see that this piece needs to go here and it's the right side of this. So if it's the right side case or the left side, you just need to move the piece away. Like if it's the right side, then you will move it away to the left side, and if it's the left side case, you will move it away to the right side. So let's first me show you the right side case. So in this case I'll move it away to the right side here, and then I'll do the sequence from the right, because it's the right side case. So I'll do the sequence from the right side case, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now I'll rotate this way. So if it's right side case, I'll rotate to the right, and if it's the left side case, I'll rotate to the left. In this case I'll rotate to the right, and now I'll do the sequence from the left. L prime, U prime, L, U prime. As you can see, the piece gets solved. Now to the left side case, This is the left side case, so I'll move it away to the right. Now I'll do the sequence from the left side. L prime, U prime, L, U prime. Now I'll rotate to the left side and do the sequence with the right side. R, U, R prime, U prime. As you can see, this piece gets solved. And if somehow you get this edge flipped up, then you need to assume that this is the piece which needs to come here. So it's the right side case. So I'll do the algorithm, which is to move it to the left and then do the right side sequence, and then rotate and then do the left side sequence. Now this piece come out, so I'll just solve it the regular way. Similar way you can solve the whole second layer. Now to the third and the last layer. In the last layer, the first step is to make a plus or a cross in the top. So for this you need to learn a algorithm. So if you get this dot case, then you need to do F, the right side sequence, R, U, R prime, U prime, and then bring the layer back. Then if you get the we will corners here. So if you get the L shape like this is the L shape, you will put it here like so that the pieces are to these here. And now we will do the same sequence again. F, the right side sequence, and then F prime. Now if you get a line, then you need to hold it here so that the line is horizontal and not like vertical. So now we will do the same sequence, F, right side sequence, and then F prime. Now you can see that the plus gets solved. Now after making the cross in the top, we need to solve as many edges as possible. Like this edge is solved, so we will do just the U moves to pair up as many edges as you can. You can either pair 2 or 4. So in this case I paired these two, and these two are left. So when the two edges are left in like alternate way, then you need to keep one of the edge to your front and the other to the left, and you will do this sequence. You will focus on this pair. Like as you can see that this is a pair. The rest pieces are yellow color, but these are not. So you will focus it as a pair. So you will take out this pair like this, R, U, R prime. You will take out this pair and then move it away to the here. And now you will move the slot up, and now you will put the pair back by U2. You will put the pair back. Now you will do the U moves, and as you can see that all the edges are solved. Now sometimes you can get two edges solved in opposite and the two are left. So you need to hold it here when the two edges are solved, and you will do the same sequence. Move the pair out, move it away, and then move the slot up, and then put the pair back, and then move the slot down. Now as you can see that you got this case back, and you will solve it the same way. Now after solving the 4 edges, we need to solve all the corners. As you can see, the whole cube is solved and only these 4 corners are left. So first we will search the corner which is already solved. The solved corner doesn't mean that it needs to also be flipped according to the color scheme. Like this is a solved corner. This piece belongs here, but it just need to be twisted. So we will do the twisting part later. But now we need to bring all the corners to their places. So if you get a solved corner, then you put it to the left side of yours like this, and these 3 are unsolved corners, and you will do this sequence of moves. You will bring out this pair, move it away, and then you will bring out this pair, and now you will bring out this pair, you will attach this pair to the slot, and then you will bring the slot down, and now you will attach this pair to the slot, and you will do a L move to attach the slot with the rest of its place. So now you will do next, you will do U to solve all the edges. Now you can get a solve all the corners here, or you cannot. Like in this case, we have to repeat the sequence to solve all the corners. So I'll do the same. So as you can see, all the corners are solved. They are now to the place where they belong. Like this corner here just need to be twisted. This corner here, the green, orange and yellow just need to be twisted, and this one here, and this one already got solved. So then if somehow you get none of the corners solved in the beginning, like in this case there are none of the corners solved, then you will assume that this corner is solved or any other, and you will do the same sequence, and now you will get a corner solved. Like in this case I get this one, and now I'll repeat the sequence to solve the remaining ones. So now after solving the corners, we need to twist them so that the cube becomes solved. So in this case we have these 3 corners left. So now after the step where you solve the corners, you just need to rotate the cube to bring the white color in the top, and you will bring the corner, you will put the corner down which is unsolved, not this one because it is already twisted. You will bring this one which needs to be twisted. So now you will do the sequence from the right side sequence: R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. You will repeat the sequence until the corner gets solved. Now you will bring another corner. Note that you don't need to rotate the cube, you will just do a D, you will rotate the D slice to bring up another corner, and now you will repeat the sequence until this corner gets solved. Now I will bring up the last corner. Note you don't rotate the cube or you will mess up the whole cube. You will just need to move the D layer, the down layer, to bring it up to the empty slot, and now you will repeat the sequence until the piece gets solved. And congratulations, you have solved your 3x3. Now if you have solved the 3x3, then you can again scramble it and can solve it again, and can time yourself that in how much time you can solve this puzzle. And if you want to bring your time to an appreciable range, you can check out my channel. In this channel I make videos on how to improve your times in these kinds of puzzles. These are called twisty puzzles. I cover many kind of puzzles like 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, mega mix, pyramix, and many other. I make tutorials on how to get fast on these puzzles. Like I can solve this 3x3 in 10 seconds, and if you want to like reduce your times, you can go through my videos on how to improve the 3x3. So that was all for this video. Hope you learned how to solve the 3x3, and if yes, then please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more content, and until then, this is DCuber signing out.